Right, I've seen post after post on Facebook and TikTok saying how expensive Turkey is now. Now you all know I go out there often, probably every month during the summer months, April till November. But I'm going to go and find out right now on this trip, is it as expensive as everyone's making out? Is there bargains to be had? So we're travelling from Teesside Airport. The flights were £130 each seat. We could be sat next to complete strangers, and we're flying with TUI, but it's a free bird flight. With TUI you get a 10 kilo luggage, so you don't have to pay any extra. One 10 kilo bag, one backpack, and me and Lee are off to Turkey. So the gate opens shortly. We're not boarding yet, but the bar's closed. Bit of a weird one. So a massive shout out to a Vsauce VIP Thailand for sorting us out our VIP transfers from Dalaman into Hisaronu. So the first stop at Hisaronu is going to be Ocean Blue Hotel, which is smack bang in the middle of Hisaronu Strip, and it's where my mate Gas Guy usually stays. Check him out on YouTube. I'm going to put the link for Gas Guy in the description, and let's go and check out Hisaronu and Ölüdeniz. Welcome to Hisaronu. Cheers, Gas Guy. Oh, 2 beds. We don't have to sleep together. No cuddles from Lee tonight. Look at this.
In the balcony. Balcony will 1, 2 and open. After door myself, the open air condition doesn't turn.
We'll be out in that in the morning. Get up there. So this is a swim up pool where you can swim right to your room. You can go in and out your room from here. That is absolutely class. You'll see it all better tomorrow morning. It's a little bit dark now, but what we will do is do a full room review tomorrow once we've messed it up a little bit. So hopefully it's not too messy, and we can show you what an ocean blue room review looks like first thing tomorrow morning. Before we leave Ocean Blue Hisaronu, let's quickly show you around the hotel room. Fireball did not come with a room, but what we didn't find until this morning was this fridge down here. Now everything's price marked, just short of £3 for all the different cans of pop. Beds, very comfy. I had the small one, Lee had the double. Plenty of sockets around, which is exactly what we need. And the shower this morning was perfect. Hairdryer for anyone who's asking, and anyone who was saying online about you can't get access to Wi-Fi in Ocean Blue. Everywhere we've been has had Wi-Fi access, from outside the hotel room, by the pool. We've had Wi-Fi everywhere. But for me, the best part of staying here is this. So look at that. If you get one of these rooms, you can literally swim from your room into the pool, back to your room, leave it open, go to the bar, swim back to your room. That for me is perfect. So this is Glam Bags, just opposite Suntrap in Hisaronu. Now again, the good thing about this place is everything's price marked. Ask the guy, how much is this, how much is this, how much is this, because it's price marked already. Just like this one, £10. Over there, £10. Purses, £5, everything's price marked. Hisaronu and Ölüdeniz is there's that many clothes shops. Let's take a look at I Love Icon and take a look inside.
Well, price marked as well, isn't it?
Eh?
Mostly price marked.
Kids section as well, and most things in here are price marked as well. I think what loads of them have found out is the British want to see the prices. They don't want to be haggling, they want to see the prices, and that's what they've got here. £15 each, 2 for 25. So just next door to Malibu Cocktail Bar is HDC Dentist. On Facebook you can find them HDC Turkey, and they're all over my Dad Loves Food Facebook, the George Pub and Grill, because you get discount when you mention Dad Loves Food. Back to Happy's. Everyone's happy at Happy's. Right, so we've just stopped for a little drink at Happy's, and every time we come in here the bloke is happy. We've got a new sign up outside. This is where we had Sunday dinner last time. Now the price of a beer, the price of a Effie's is 130 lira, which is about £2.75, and that seems to be pretty average in Hisaronu, from 100 lira to 130 lira. But the food, when we came to Happy's last time, I enjoyed the steak pie. Yeah. I've enjoyed the Sunday dinner here, and the food is more than reasonable.
The garlic mushrooms.
The garlic mushrooms are nice. The food, more than reasonable. Come and check them out at Happy's, just near downtown Junior.
Hello guys.
What's different about Ölüdeniz beach is you have to hire the sunbeds. So all the sunbeds on the beach you have to pay for to hire, whereas in Marms and Ishmael you don't pay to hire them, but you buy your food and your drink from the restaurant or bar that they're in front of.
And if